Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we are live swatching Colores de Carol's Spring Bucket List. So if you enjoy live swatch videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And this collection will be dropping on April 4th and available only at the Colores de Carol website. So we are starting out with one of the, I will just say it's one of my favorites of this collection. This is Fly a Kite, and it's described as a coral pink crelly. So it's $11 at the store, and it's going to be $60 for the whole collection. So I think that this leans a lot more pink on me, especially in pictures, but there is a kiss of coral, so you guys just want to be aware of that. But I loved it. Anyway, moving on, we are looking at one of my other favorites. This is Blow Bubbles. So I'm just going to come right out and let all of y'all know I love this collection so much. I was kind of getting into the spring mode, but I wasn't really there until I got these. But anyway, Blow Bubbles is a creamsicle orange crelly, and it will be $11 on the site. I am loving these colors, y'all. I feel they're fantastic, and the brush really makes it easy to apply even coats with this formula. So I'm all about it. And this next one, oh my God, I'm sorry. I am so giddy about this collection. I am trying to take it down and be very professional, but I also wanted to highlight I love the little window where you can see the nail polish on the label. This one is Picnic at the Park, and it is a seafoam green crelly. This one will also be $11, and I feel like this is perfection. The formula is fantastic. I didn't get any staining with these, so that really hyped me up because I love the opacity even on the first coat. And I'm a 2-coat girl, so what I get from that is even more opacity, covering up my visible nail line, and still giving me that bright, fun color. So next up is going to be Ride a Bike. This one is a periwinkle blue crelly and will also be $11. I have to tell you guys, I am really feeling some gradients with this collection because I think that gradients are more easy with creams and crellies than they are with, I'd say, multi-chromes or with jelly flakies. Those are just not as easy to do a gradient with. Also, I'm looking forward to seeing if these stamp because I did do extremely thin first coats because I wanted to make sure that I got all around my cuticles and not have any of that uneven coverage that I sometimes get where in my first or my second coat, I got closer to my cuticle, and the second time I didn't. But this is the last crelly of this one. I'm really excited because I still like gray even in the spring. This one is called Splash in Puddles. It's described as a light gray crelly, and it will be $11. So you can pretty much grab the whole collection for $60, or you can do individuals that you like for $11. I also figure this is a good time to mention that I have a discount code for you down in the description box. If you use code Manicentric, all caps, you get 10% off. And that's off any purchase at the Colores de Carol website. Also, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below. Let me know what your favorite spring hue is. Like, I know there are a ton, but for some, there's just that one color that says spring all the way. And I think it just might be that Seafoam Green Crelly Picnic in the Park. And then we have one more fantastic polish to showcase. This is Watch the Sunset. It's described as a clear base with iridescent chameleon flakes, gold, green, orange, and pink. And it will be $11.50 on the site. Holy cow. I loved it in the bottle, and I think I might be absolutely obsessed on the nail because it's so subtle and cute in one coat, which I did one coat, but you can do like 2 or 3 coats. I still kind of wanted to make sure that the focus was on the colors, the spring, the fun, but you can also do like 2 or 3 coats to really pack on these flakies. What I also enjoyed was it's a clear base, but the flakies are not shy. They're not subtle. They pop right out. I didn't have to manipulate anything to get coverage. And you know how they usually like to clump up at the base of your nail? I didn't have any problem with that either. So absolutely made my day. And I am freaking out because I was just thinking to myself, I haven't purchased any spring collections. I don't know what to do. I don't know which colors I want. And it feels like this color palette was made for me. But that is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're part of my nail fam, I appreciate your time. It is precious to me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing so we can hang out more. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!